A lot of people think that we just boil it in bag, and that's what it is. Oh, you put something in a plastic bag, you boil it, and then it comes out. I think that is what hurts me the most because of how much detail and precision is actually in sous vide.
I think that some early misconceptions about sous vide was that it was boil in the bag, and that it kind of takes the soul and the character out of cooking, and that it could even be considered cheating.
Sous vide is so much more than that. It's not about masking or manipulating. It's about bringing out the best attributes of the ingredients, unlocking special flavors and textures that you wouldn't be able to achieve with traditional cooking methods.
It is a whole process. It's a scientific art. It essentially means under vacuum.
I definitely heard chefs kind of say that. Why would you cook in a bag? Why would you do this? And that was because they didn't understand the precision element of it, and that when you get the right time and the right temperature and the right ingredient inside the bag, that it can produce results that are far outweigh what you can do traditionally.